We believe that the formation of IRDiRC has led to the investment of substantial new resources into the area. So every funder member that joins IRDiRC has to commit at least $10 million of new money for rare disease research within a 5-year period. In fact, the commitment of most funders is much larger than that, and we believe the aggregate commitment just from the public sector partners now exceeds $2 billion US, which is a substantial chunk of money. And I firmly believe, at least in the Canadian situation, I don't think those resources would have been committed had Canada, through the CIHR and through Genome Canada, signed on for IRDiRC. So a practical effect of forming IRDiRC, I think, is to raise the profile of rare disease research, which has led to increased commitment of funds. IRDiRC is also involved in activities that are practical in nature and are meant to improve collaboration. So one that there's been a lot of talk about at this conference is the Matchmaker exchange, and this is an effort for large sequencing and gene discovery projects to share their data with each other. And in particular to share data about their undiagnosed patients. So for instance, the Matchmaker exchange software, and I encourage anyone who's interested in this to look at its website, which is easy, it's matchmakerexchange.org, allows anyone to query with their own variants or with their own phenotypic characterization all 3 of the databases that are now members of this. And those databases are Phenome Central, which are based in Canada, Decipher, which is a major database based in the UK, and GeneMatcher, which is a major database based here at Hopkins in collaboration with Baylor. So these 3 databases, and more are coming, have sat down together and worked out how they can get their software to talk to each other to allow cross-searching of each other's data while the patient data is protected for privacy and remains where it is. So in other words, the way this works is that you send in your characteristics, search the other databases. If there's a match, then both sides simply get notified there's a match, and the clinicians can determine whether they want to collaborate about that match or not.